You got big boo-boos?
You cried again.
You cried again? Yes, you did cry again. Because these are some pretty big boo-boos. Look at that. You got scrapes? Is it a scrape or a scratch?
What are your knees doing?
What are your knees doing? Are they okay?
New boo-boo.
New boo-boos. What about your elbow? Can you show me this elbow?
No.
Go like this. Show me the elbow.
No.
Yeah. Got a scrap over here too. Scrape. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh yeah. That's okay. Do you have cows on your shirt?
Yeah.
Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cows. And what do the cows say? Roar.
Yeah.
No. What's that? Is that a big truck?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
The trailer on the back.
That's right, the trailer on the back. Cool.
Like the Jeep with the trailer on the back.
That's right, like your Jeep that has a trailer. Very good. Is he playing basketball?
Bouncing.
He's bouncing? It's called dribbling. He shoots. He made it. It's a nice shot. Is that Mama's car?
Yeah.
Hi, Mama's car.
The car is moving.
Your car's moving? No, Mama's car's not moving. Look at that tattoo. What kind of tattoo is that?
A monster.
A monster truck? And what about the other arm?
A fast car.
A fast car?
He's like around car.
He was riding a bicycle. Hey, what's this over here?
What's this over here?
Is that a dump truck? What's that dump truck doing?
Oh, that's a bug in the dump truck.
There's a bug in the dump truck? There is a bug on the dump truck. What is he doing in there? What's that buggy doing? Is he on the wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What's he doing?
I don't know. Why is he on the dump truck? You want this thing?
Yeah. What's that?
That looks like a walnut shell.
You put it in the dump truck.
You put it in the dump truck? That's so cool. Is the dump truck gonna go dump it somewhere? Here comes the dump truck with the walnut nut.
With the string.
Here comes the dump truck.
It's going backwards.
You gonna pull him backwards? Good job. Uh-oh, crash. Let's do it again. Yeah. Oh, he did a flip.
You did a flip.
Yeah. Or you're gonna put a big rock in there? Whoa, look at that dump truck. He's carrying a big rock.
That's a buggy in the big one.
That's right, he's carrying so much stuff.
Wow, look at that big one.
Wow.
With the dump truck on the back.
What's he gonna do with that big rock?
Uh-oh.
What did he do? Did he make it or did he miss it?
He missed it.
He missed it.
Look at that big rock in the dump truck.
Cool. Can you dump it in?
More big one.
Can you dump it into the dirt? That's not the dirt, but good job dumping. Another big rock in the dump truck. You gonna dump it in the dirt? No? You're gonna dump it off the cliff? Ah!
I saw
It fell down. Whoa, there's a bus.
again.
Another bus. Get another rock.
Another big one.
Good job. High five. Yeah.